Step 1. Connect the dots. Think about what you want to learn and find people with that knowledge and experience. It's easy. Anyone can be a contact. See? It's super easy to get started. Start building your list today. Step 2. Homework makes the dream work. Once you have established a list of contacts, it's time to come up with a game plan. Here's a sample message you can use to reach out to contacts. Step 3. Ask the key questions. By doing your homework and preparing for your conversation, you'll be able to come up with directed questions that make the most of the contact's time and yours. The purpose is not to ask for a job. Instead, you'll establish a better connection and ask for advice and information. Most importantly, be prepared, respectful of their time, and let them do most of the talking. Here are some great questions to get you started. Step 4. Thank yous and follow-up. Send a thank you within 24 hours. Email is fine. Review notes on what you learned and plan your next steps. Follow up from time to time to let your contact know about your progress, but not without first following through on anything they gave you to do. Keep building that network by repeating the career conversation process. Chat where you're at. It's never too early or too late to start. Still have questions about career conversations? Reach out to the Career Center staff to help you get started.